Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. Without delay, let's begin. Quickly close your eyes so that you can see this complete movie, story as a movie playing in front of your eyes. So, let's begin. In a small, peaceful town surrounded by green fields and flowing river, there lived a man named Raghav. He was strong, intelligent, hardworking, and blessed with every comfort one could wish for. But unfortunately, he had one big weakness. He spoke very rudely. His words were sharp like thorns, and his tone was always harsh and hurtful. Whether he talked to his friend, neighbors, helpers, or even his own family, he would shout, insult, and blame others constantly. People began to avoid him. Children would run away when he passed, and even shopkeepers felt uncomfortable dealing with him. At home, his wife and children cried silently, wishing he would change. Raghav never understood why everyone was keeping a distance. He thought people were jealous of him, not realizing that it was his own behavior that pushed them away like a foul smell. One evening, a group of villagers gathered at the community hall. They spoke with heavy hearts. We don't hate Raghav, but his rude words hurt us every single day. We want him to change, otherwise, he will become completely alone. At that moment, a wise and enlightened sadhu happened to visit the village. He listened patiently as the villagers explained the situation. Sadhu closed his eyes calmly and said, words are more powerful than sword. A wound caused by a sword heals with time, but wound caused by harsh words stay forever. Bring Raghav to me tomorrow morning. The next morning, Raghav arrived with pride on his face, convinced that he had done nothing wrong and people were complaining for no reason. The sadhu welcomed him with a warm smile and handed him a glass filled with a golden colored liquid. Raghav asked curiously, what is this? The sadhu replied gently, juice specially prepared for you. Please drink. Without thinking much, Raghav took a big sip. The very next moment, his face twisted in disgust. The juice was extremely bitter, more bitter than anything he had ever tasted. He spat it out instantly and threw the glass away. What nonsense is this? It's horrible. How can anyone drink such disgusting bitter juice? Sadhu looked into his eyes and said softly, exactly. The taste of this juice is the taste of your words. The same way this bitterness made you throw the glass away. Your rude and harsh words make people throw you out of their hearts. Just like you could not tolerate the bitterness for even a second, other cannot tolerate the bitterness in your speech every day. If you do not change, you will be left alone with nobody around you. Raghav was stunned. His heart trembled. He never realized that his words were so poisonous. Tears filled his eyes. For the first time, he truly understood the pain he had caused others. He folded his hands and said, Sadhuji, please forgive me. I never knew I was hurting people. I promise I will change. From that day onwards, Raghav watched every word to spoke. He learned to speak gently and respectfully. Whenever anger tried to overpower him, he remembered the bitter juice. Slowly, people noticed his change. The distance they had once created began to close. Children started smiling at him again. His family's laughter returned, and the village respected him more than ever. And he understood that sweet words build relationship, bitter words break them forever. and he became an inspiration for many others. And as every story is having a moral value, even today's story is having moral lesson. So what is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is words have tremendous power. They can heal or hurt, build or break. Speak kindly, because once spoken, hurtful words can never be taken back. And in Hindi, I remember one thought that शब्द मुफ्त में मिलते हैं, इनके चयन पे निर्भर करता है कि इसकी कीमत मिलेगी या चुकानी पड़ेगी. तो yes, be very wise with your words. So this was our story. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed today's story. Please do share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins. And this story taught us that be very kind with your friends also, okay? So many times in school we are very harsh and we are not wise with our words. So this story will help you understand that no, this is not correct, okay? So please share this story with everyone and do subscribe to our channel. We'll meet tomorrow with a new story. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Good night. Lots of blessings.